Hey, this is Dave and Little Guy, and today we're gonna go ride Finding Nemo and Friends. The shell's gonna close. Whoa. Whoa. Are you ready, dude? Where did Nemo go?
Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help. Oh, Fabio!
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know. That's why I'm trying to find him.
Find who?
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that.
I do.
We went on a huge adventure together. We just don't remember it all.
Is he orange with white stripes and looks kind of like you, only smaller?
Yes. Have you seen him?
Seen who? Hi, I'm Dory.
I am looking for my son.
Ooh, I can help.
It's Nemo.
Where?
I don't know. That's why I'm trying to find him. Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
He's my son. You know that. We went on a huge adventure together.
There's jellyfish!
Whoa, that's a whole bunch of jellyfish, huh?
Where are you, lady?
Games. I love games. I'm thinking of something bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Oh, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants.
Dory, stop playing games!
Games? I love games. Ooh, I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Ah, jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. And I'm thinking... Like I'm scared now.
Stop fooling around!
Whoa, is that a shark? Whoa, who's that?
I wonder if clownfish taste funny. Nemo! Why did you fly from the
Going surfing, girl.
Kill the motor, dude.
Who's that guy?
Kiss offspring? Awesome! Check out the mini bar.
Is that Crush? And his little guys?
Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Oh, there you are, Nemo!
Yay! Nemo!
Come aboard, explorers!
It's Nemo! Look, Mr. Ray, here comes Nemo!
Hey, we found Nemo! There he is! look, and then here's the end. Did you have fun on Nemo? Yeah, let's go look at the fish.